all at the Popeyes. All them people all in that goddamn line. I'm at the Popeyes, I couldn't believe my eyes. All them people all in that goddamn line. Pull up the Popeyes, say what you got on the menu. She said we got the chicken sandwiches. I said, baby, let me continue. I got to the window, she said we out. I said, what the hell is chicken sandwich AZ really talking about? She said, so good. I said, yeah, right. Later on, man, I came back that same damn night. She said, what you doing? I said, we out of chicken. They said that old chicken patty y'all got is so finger-lick. Hey, I'm at the Popeyes, couldn't believe my eyes. All them people standing all in that goddamn line. I'm at the Popeyes, couldn't believe my eyes. All them people standing all up in the goddamn line. Finally got me a sandwich, I bit all in it. Tasted that mayonnaise and the little pickles, and I had to admit it. This just a plain sandwich, what they going crazy for? I said I hold the throw this sandwich right back in the goddamn dough. All that time, I waited on the sandwich. I could've went to Walmart, grocery sections, and got me some sandwich. That's all I'm saying, making all hype. Man, y'all talking about a sandwich y'all can make all goddamn night. Hey, I'm at the Popeyes, couldn't believe my eyes. All them people standing all in that goddamn line. I'm at the Popeyes, couldn't believe my eyes. All them people standing all in that goddamn line. Oh, y'all crazy. Stand in that line for something y'all could've made you see. Talk about get the spices. Man, I got some hot sauce at the house. I could've thrown on a chicken patty. Woo! Y'all making that a big old hype. Y'all be glad with it. So, hey, I'm at the Popeyes, they believe my eyes. All them people standing all in that goddamn line. At the Popeyes, standing in the line. All them people, I couldn't believe my eyes.